it's me, Fara here.
Me, Aiesya here.
So, many of you may have noticed, or why my rabbit? I'm not sure whether many of you noticed or not, but last week we didn't upload a video. So yeah, we are very sorry for that. And if you guys want to see updates about us and stuff, go follow our Instagram, so you would know that, you know, we filmed this video today. And anyways, without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so I just came back from the post office and I just saw something at the Squishy store on the Squishy shop. Something that I never thought that a Squishy shop would sell. And that was a bag. And I thought this was pretty cool because school's coming up in like tomorrow. So it's very convenient. And these Squishies are very cheap. One is only like 1 cent. So I got like, I don't know how many Squishies. How long have I been playing for Squishies? Just felt like a few minutes. Huh? I've been playing for 2 hours? It's like only a few hours till school. I better get packing my bag. Girl, stop smelling my blanket. Multitasking. Let's see what I'm gonna do here. Let's do some markers. This thing could be good for something. My wallet for lunch. A book. Extra clothes. PE. Oh, stay. Now what do I need? I really think I'm forgetting something. Oh, there's a pencil here. I definitely need that. Oh, and I'm forgetting something else. You know? What? I want nap time. Get it. Where's the zipper? All ready to go. Wait, school's not done yet. I mean, wait, what? What was I gonna say? Cut that piece out.
Alright class, welcome back to school. Your first lesson, as you can see right here, it is math, and we are going to be learning about fractions and decimals. So I will be handing out this worksheet to all of you, and yeah. There's the paper, and please take out all your pencils and equipment and everything. So yeah.
Why is my bag suddenly not that heavy? Probably the stuffed animal made it more light. Where's my pencil? Huh? When did I bring this along? Oh, I wasn't supposed to bring this here. I mean, it's squishy, but it'll get defected. Now where's my pencil? It's not here. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is. How could I not find it before? Oh well.
Aiesya, shush. We're starting the class.
Sorry, miss. Hi. Oh, hi. What's up? I'm good.
Why'd you come so late to the lesson?
I couldn't find my pencil in math.
Oh, that's sad.
Your mom's not buying a new PE kit?
No.
What was your first period?
Oh, I had English.
What did you do in English?
Oh, I was being fancy. What do you think we're gonna do in PE today?
I don't know.
Well, okay. Aren't you gonna change?
I can't find my PE kit.
Well, I'm going first. Bye.
Run! Where is my PE clothes? Why was that so hard to find?
Oh, Aiesya, you're here. You know you're late, right?
No, I'm not late.
Since you're late, you know what you're about to get, right?
I'm not late, miss. I'm not late.
You came 10 minutes late out of the changing room. How's that not being late?
I couldn't find my PE kit. You see, I couldn't even put it on properly.
And that's another reason why you're going to get what you're about to get. And you know what that is, right?
Detention.
Yep. Okay, you can go now. Now you can see me.
Okay, so now I'm in detention because of this. I don't even know why they have a TV in here. Since this is a classroom. I'm so bored.
Hey! Hey, you! What are you doing? Put that phone down right now. And go read a book. Turn that thing off.
No!
Turn it off!
Great. My phone is taken away. There's no entertainment. And now I have to read a book. I think I remember packing a book inside a bag. What? Now this is getting weird. I really need to find my book. My book didn't come out. Where did it go? Okay, now you just look at me in a mean way. Why are there so many squishes in my bag today? I didn't even put them in my bag. I never packed them. I just left them at home. Now I'm gonna get even more detentions for the rest of the month.
Hey! What? I told you to read a book, not make a mess!
I couldn't find my book.
You clean all this up right now. That's it. You're getting detention for the rest of the week. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope you really enjoyed this video. And yes, yeah. So anyways, make sure you like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Thumbnail time! So for the thumbnail, I was thinking, so first I'm going to need your face. You're going to be like, how that face looks like. So just stand anywhere with good lighting. Okay. Maybe look there or something. No, you're facing the camera, but your eyes are like that, you know. Okay? And then I also need this good bag with some squishes. Oh my god! Oh my boy! Look, take it. Ow! Yes. Can you zip the bag up? And put a bunch of squishes around it. Not like that. No. Ow! There's a pencil, sorry.